Today I will show you how to reset the software on the Lenovo Tab M10 Gen 3. First, you need to download the Software Fix app from the Lenovo support website and install it on your computer. Open Software Fix and select the device type tablet. Enter the serial number of your device. Software Fix will match corresponding firmware for you automatically. After the firmware download is complete, you can start flashing your device. Click the Rescue button to start the process. Make sure your device is powered off. When prompted, follow the instructions for how to connect the device to your PC. Press and hold the volume up button and connect the device to your PC with a USB cable. Keep holding the volume up button until prompted to release it. Do not disconnect the USB cable during the flashing process. The device will automatically reboot after the flashing process is complete.